Hi, I am Flash. Thank you all for being here. As time passes, the pizza website grows larger and larger. If a project is maintained by many teams at the same time, there will often be commit or release conflicts. So we can split the project into two projects. The commit and publish can be done separately to reduce conflicts. Let me demonstrate how to solve this problem. First, create a .NET Core project. The project name is Web Portal. Check the Enable Docker option when creating the project. It's okay if you forget to check the box. You can still open the option after creating the project. Then create a .NET Core MVC project. The website is as a pizza general site. Create another .NET Core API project. Treating website R as a pizza API project. These three projects can be developed and maintained by different teams. Let's run this API project. The new project will generate simple weather forecast API code in advance. Here you can see the results of the weather forecast API. Now let's run the website project. Close Run, modify website home content. Change the content here to welcome website. Web Portal project this site to open NuGet management tools. Install the YAR reverse proxy NuGet package. It is a reverse proxy tool provided by Microsoft. Help us for building fast proxy servers in .NET using the infrastructure from ASP.NET. Open the program, sys file in the Web Portal project. Add the add reverse proxy service. Add map reverse proxy after the next line of the map razor pages method. Don't forget to comment out map razor pages line 16. Modify the settings, JSON file contents. Add two root rules. The first rule is that when the request enters the web portal, all URLs are forwarded to the cluster E setting. The second rule is that when a GET POST request enters the web portal, all API URLs are forwarded to the API cluster E setting. And set the forwarding request path to remove the API first and then forward it. Cluster E destination set to website E project URL host Docker internal 5001 port. API cluster E destination set to website R project URL host Docker internal 5002 port. Right-click on the Web Portal project. Select Add Container Orchestrator Support. This action is repeated for both website E and website R projects. Visual Studio will automatically generate the Docker Compose YAML file contents. Follow the changes on the screen. Before starting the web portal service, start website E and website R and open the 5000 port first. Website E1 AppSite settings 5001 port open out. Website R API setting 5002 port open out. On the home page of the website E project, we create a JavaScript code called the backend web API weather forecast service to display the results on the screen. Now we start Docker Compose YAML. It will automatically create 3 containers for us. The benefits of having a web portal are, as time passes, when the size of the site becomes larger and larger, It can then be subdivided into other teams based on pets' business functions. The main benefit is that Web Portal does not have to repeat the business logic associated with login authentication for each downstream project. Unified to Web Portal management. Even when the number of users increases, we can also dynamically increase the number of downstream project services. I am Flash. See you soon.